uNdlovu we-Kaizer Chiefs ube ne-performance e-decent uma ubona i-energy yakhe noma umbukela umbone ukuthi beka all over the place but hhayi umjida ayakalazi la umjida lo inkomo for mina. I think i-energy yakhe iyamsave. First 2 minutes bafowethu. I think a minute ngicela unibukeleni i-first 2 minutes laphana nibuyele emuva. I think 1 minute 40 something seconds. He can't trap the ball and then few seconds later futhi ushaya i-poor pass eliphumela egrawundini. And then angazi ukuthi ayingakho amabhola bafethu uNdlovu awalahlile nje laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. I think second half uzamile ukudlala but first half udlalile even nas first half but you cannot afford ukuluza ibhola la adlala khona yena. Ngama-last minute uNdlovu bambeke as i-right wing, yeah, bambeke laphana ku-left wing. Uyalibamba ibhola but akazi ukuthi ushaya igoli elihle kakhulu. Shout out to igoli lakhe, lihle kakhulu-ke bafowethu igoli lakhe. Khona la sekaba greedy-ke khona bamnika ibhola kumele aphase cause it's not like ukuthi sesike sambona kora outside 18 area futhi ngo-left. Uvele nje ushaya into ongayiboni nokuthi iya kuphi. Pass ibhola, you're not good enough ukuthi ushaye laphana. Yes, ukorile, well lishaya ipali langena, I think lishaya ipali futhi ngenyawo lakho lakwa-right waba-right-ke wakwazi ukulishaya phakathi but hhayi umshito akusiyo iquality i-Kaizer Chiefs and akusiwuye kuphela. Energy unayo, uyakwazi ukukhava lapha ama-mistake wakho but umuntu mekufakela iy'buko akubheka kahle uNdlovu akusiyo i-player iquality le-Kaizer Chiefs mina bafethu ngiyala. Hhayi ukuthi maybe ngizame ukuthi kwenziwe njani, hhayi na. Khona la uNdlovu uholda I think bekuyi-72 minutes une-option yokuthi aphase yeah bekuyi-72 minutes, I won't forget. uNdlovu ubona ukuthi iplayer elifile elinganaplan, uholda ibhola ne? Ulibuyisa ubheke one direction, ubheke uSolomons. Emva kwakhe kunama-player bayi-4 we-Kaizer Chiefs ama-options wakhe. Uhluleka nje ukushaya i-10, ukushaya i-10. Yilama player lawa ashaya ama-passes nje asimple. Angisho ukuthi kumele ube brilliant njalo but like sibonise ukuthi ikhona leyo nto leyo, khona into ongayinika i-team noma mfethu uyalibamba ibhola, ulibamba kaningi uNdlovu ibhola laphana ku-Chiefs but akanaplan nebhola like akazi. But maybe ama-player afana nabo ubani uMdu Shabalala cause uMdu Shabalala angaba ne-game e-flat but khona la uhlezi arana so uzokwazi ukumthola even khona la uNdlovu ashaya i-assist khona previous games angithi anika yena uMdu Shabalala ngiyakhumbula uMdu walishaya phakathi. So kwesinye isikhathi uzoba i-midfielder cause of u-number 10 wakho uhlakaniphile uloku uyamuva. Khona ama-pass ozowashaya sithi ushaya iphasi elihle kakhulu but nanoma ubani uthola ukuthi angalishaya lelo phasi lelo. There's nothing special about i-player. Ku-Kaizer Chiefs kumele ube special, bekumele ube special ukuthi udlale khona but-ke manje sibona ama-players a-average kakhulu. Ngingabala ama-player amaningi but-ke stay tuned bafethu, ngizobabala la bantu laba one by one. So bancome kumele sibancome cause khona abadlale kahle kakhulu kuleya game leya.